Now, we are recording. Okay. I'm just walking over to the dock. I think there's a dock over here. I don't know if I'll make it there. I don't know how far it is. So that's the big beach we're at right there on the corner, if you can read that. Car is just right back there. Should be a building up here. I think it always stays concrete to right there to the little exercise equipment. It's concrete, not paved. I don't know what I just said. We got another airplane taking off. One circling around behind us. It just took off a minute ago. Oh, there's the building. Okay, so we're not very far. So we'll walk over here. Little single engine, I guess they call them. Hopefully that's in the camera. I got my sunglasses on, I can't really see. I think, yep, not there. That's a gate. Can't go that way. I think over here is a launch pad for kayaks and canoes. Canoe and kayak launch, otherwise known as Red Lake. We're gonna walk over here in the shade. I just got sweat pouring off of me. Oh wow, that's like 20 degrees cooler. Not like back home. Back home, hot, muggy. It doesn't matter whether you're standing in the shade or not. Here in Florida, okay, here in Southwest Florida, that's all I can vouch for now. If you stand in the shade, it's usually about, I always say it's 20 degrees cooler. But it feels, I don't know, let's say it's 10, 15 degrees cooler. And a breeze. You stood in the shade back in Missouri at this time of the year, it'd still be 106. Still wouldn't be able to breathe. So it'd be okay. You'd die. I'm just kidding on the dying part. This has grown up a little bit since I think I was here last. I don't think I got any videos of this place last time, but if I do, they're on here somewhere. Have to go back a couple years. So that's the launch pad. I think it's low tide right now, so that's why you see the steps. You got handicap parking, you got regular parking, even though it says no parking anytime. They give you bumpers to park. I'm not sure. I'm confused. Can you park here? Can you not park here? I don't know. I wouldn't. Just because. But it might mean like blocking the sidewalk parking. I don't know. So when I walk up here, I think the bathrooms are up here. And a trash can. And my soda's already hot. It hasn't been out of the cooler but about 20 minutes. Well, that don't look like a nice cool place to sit down. A little area of what else is in there. But that just looks so cool in there. So cool. Cool as in temperature wise. Cool as in, it'd be a cool place to sit down. Nobody probably even see you as long as you didn't make any noise or movement when they walk by. Nobody probably even noticed you. We got trash cans right here. I got some up there by the bathrooms. Well, they even have an outside faucet. An outside drinking fountain. That's their stuff better be purified 20 times over. We'll do some exploring this fall when it's cooler. Say October through March maybe. Blue is recycle, right? Gray is trash. That's what we say. I know, you're staring at a white wall. Alright. I gotta go bathroom. Restrooms are open from 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. It might be. I don't think it is concrete all the way around.